Hey guys, Snapshot Medical Kitchen here, bringing you back another recipe video. I know it's been a while, but we are finally back, and this recipe today is Italian sausage pull-apart bread. It's kind of like a perfect party food that I made on Christmas Eve, and my family usually has a huge party on Christmas Eve. It's our big celebration day. But with COVID and everything, we weren't able to do that. But I still wanted to make something that resembled a party because we had a Zoom, and just even having some food that was similar to that vibe kind of helped create that magic again for the night. So I went ahead and made this, and I thought it would be good to talk about communication and connecting with people as my medical advice for this recipe. Since this is like an appetizer, a party food that you can make once COVID is all gone and everyone's back to normal. So, I just wanted to talk about the importance of communication and not to be afraid to reach out to people in case you need that help as well. Even if it's just to, for mental health reasons or just for, just you're lonely and you want to talk to people. Communication is really important. So the two studies that I will link in the description were about communication and its importance. So the first one was about the importance of communication in adolescent development and emotional regulation, and how during dinner time, if you had a strong connection foundation of communication, it was positive in reinforcement of a good mental health state and secure in those adolescents' lives. So it was a correlational study. It didn't have like a specific manipulation to cause a cause and effect that could be evaluated, but just to have that correlation in general about communication and better mental health state and being happier and being more secure is important. So it might not be the end all be all, but it definitely helps, especially in adolescent growth. The second study is about women dealing with breast cancer, and if they have a strong foundation and communication with their family, with their loved ones, with their doctors, it helps in their recovery, and they have a better outlook, a better prognosis, and they recover better and go through procedures and have a better outlook on life if they have that strong communication. So it's very important. It even affects regular health, not just mental health. It affects diseases where you think, how could talking to someone help cure cancer? It doesn't help cure cancer, but it helps the outlook and it helps the mindset going into it, which is also a very important part of medicine, and it proves the psychosocial aspect of medicine is very important. So there you go. There's two different articles. I'll link them in the description. It's just important to talk to people. It's something that I've learned over time, and everyone has to learn it, that communication is very important and can help you in a lot of different ways. So I hope you guys enjoy this Italian sausage pull-apart bread recipe, and make it next time you have a party. All right, have a good one, guys. Alright, so the first step after making your cuts is to use your melted butter mix and kind of brush it all on top and also in between the cracks of all the cuts as well. So just kind of brush it on top and spread it apart and kind of put your brush in there also. Good.